Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School Toddi Gudagodji. And today we will read the remaining types of matrix in chapter 3rd. Let's start the next topic, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix are two types. First types, upper triangular matrix. Definition of upper triangular matrix: a square matrix in which all elements below the principal diagonal are 0 is called an upper triangular matrix. It means a square matrix in which all elements below the principal diagonal are 0. Principal diagonal below the principal diagonal are 0. 1, 4, 3 principal diagonal below 0, 0, 0 are 0 is called an upper triangular matrix. Implies A is equal to Aij n cross n. Order of a matrix A. We have Aij is equal to 0 when I greater than 0. Okay. Example, A is equal to 1, minus 2, 6, 4, 7, 0, 0, 0, 3. Principal diagonal 1, 4, 3. Below the principal diagonal are 0. The principal diagonal 1, 4, 3. Below element 0, 0, 0. It means matrix A, upper triangular matrix. Okay. Next definition, lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all elements above the principal diagonal are 0. A square matrix in which all elements above the principal diagonal are 0. Upper triangular matrix में below the principal diagonal are 0 below. And lower triangular matrix above the principal diagonal are 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. That is, A is equal to Aij n cross n. We have Aij is equal to 0 when I less than 0. I less than 0. I greater than j. Upper triangular matrix. I less than 0. Lower triangular matrix. For example, properties of example. For example, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 1. 1, 3, 1 principal diagonal. Okay. Definition: above the principal diagonal are 0. Above the principal diagonal are 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. Okay. I that A is equal to Aj n cross n. We have Aij is equal to 0 when I less than j. For example, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 1. 3 by 3. Okay. Next topic. Properties of matrix. Properties of matrix. First part, transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. A matrix obtained by interchanging the row and columns of a matrix is known as transpose of that matrix. It means a matrix obtained by interchanging the row and column. Row interchanging column, column interchanging row, of a matrix is known as transpose of that matrix. Transpose of a matrix A is denoted by A dash or A power T. T, it means transpose. Transpose of a matrix A is denoted by A dash or A transpose. For example, matrix A. Matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 0, 2, minus 4. Order of a matrix 3 by 2 implies definition of transpose: interchanging the row and column. Row interchanging column, column interchanging row. Row 1, 3 interchanging column 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, 0, नहीं sorry 5, 0, 5, 0, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4. It means row interchanging column, column interchanging row. 1, 5, 2. Column interchanging row 1, 5, 2. 3, 0, minus 4 interchanging column. नहीं sorry row 3, 0, minus 4. It means order of transpose 80 2 by 3. Any example? A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2. Matrix A transpose is equal to row interchanging column 2, 3, 1, row interchanging column 0, 1, 2, row interchanging column minus 1, 3, 2. Okay, matrix A and transpose of A matrix A. Next definition: symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is called symmetric matrix if and only if A is equal to transpose of A matrix. It means A is equal to A transpose of matrix A. For example, A equal to 2, minus 3, minus 3, 4. Matrix A. Order of a matrix A 2 by 2 is equal to transpose of a matrix is equal to row interchanging column 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4, 2 by 2. A is equal to A 80. A is equal to 80. It means A is equal to 80. So A is equal to 80. That is symmetric matrix. Matrix A, symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is called symmetric matrix if and only if A is equal to 80. For example, matrix A is equal to something and 80 is equal to 2, minus 3, minus 3, 4. So A is equal to 80. Equal A is equal to 80. So equal, that is matrix A, symmetric matrix. Okay. Next, point है skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix A square matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if and only if 80 is equal to minus A. Symmetric matrix A is equal to 80. But skew symmetric matrix AT is equal to minus A. For example, A is equal to 0 HG minus H 0 minus F minus G F 0 3 by 3 is equal to 80 is equal to row interchanging column row column row column. Okay, 80. Matrix A transpose common minus common 0 plus H plus G minus H 0 minus F minus G plus का F 0. Okay, 0 H G minus H 0 minus F minus G F 0 is equal to A minus A. It means so A T is equal to minus A. A T is equal to minus A. That is matrix A skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if and only if at is equal to minus A. For example, matrix A, transpose of A matrix A is equal to something is equal to minus common 0 H G minus H 0 minus F minus G F 0. It means matrix A. So AT is equal to minus A. Definition of skew symmetric, AT is equal to minus A. So matrix A is skew symmetric. Okay. Next note. First point है, every element in the principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix is 0. Every element in the principal diagonal A 0 0 0 0 0 0 matrix A T 0 0 0. Every element in the principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix is a 0. It means matrix A diagonal element, principal diagonal 0 0 0. So matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, first point. Second point, if two matrices A and B are compatible for addition and multiplication, then. So first point, A plus minus B power t is equal to A power t plus minus B power t. A plus minus B power t is equal to A power t plus minus B power t. First property. Second, K into A power t. T it means transpose is equal to K into A t, where K be any scalar, constant number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anyone. Third, A into B, matrix A into matrix B power t is equal to matrix B power t into matrix A power t. A B power t is equal to B power t into A power of t. Okay. Third point, if A be a square matrix, then A plus A power of t is a symmetric matrix. A plus A power of t is a symmetric matrix, and A minus A power of t is a skew symmetric matrix, plus symmetric matrix minus skew symmetric matrix. Okay. A into A power of t and A power of t into A are symmetric matrix. Both A into A power of t and A power of t into A are symmetric matrix. Last, A power of t and power of t is equal to A. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. A power of t 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay. Again, A power of t is equal to row colon 2, 4, row colon 3, 5 is equal to A. It means A power of t over power of t is equal to A. Property true. A power of t, again power of t is equal to A. A plus A power of t is skew symmetric. A minus A power of t is skew symmetric. Sorry, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix plus symmetric matrix minus skew symmetric matrix. A into A power of t and A power of t into A are symmetric matrix. Last, A power of t, again power of t is equal to A. Okay. Last point of fourth, every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew-symmetric matrix. That is, matrix A square matrix is equal to 1 by 2 a plus a power of t plus 1 by 2 a minus a power of t. A plus a power of t is a symmetric matrix. A plus a power of t is a symmetric matrix, and a minus a power of t is a skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix as the sum. Symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix, where A is a square matrix. Matrix A is square matrix. Okay. Point complete. Exercise. Exercise 3.1. Question number first. If matrix A is equal to Aij, order of a matrix A 2 by 4, then write the number of element in matrix A. Number of element in matrix A is equal to order of a matrix of multiplication. It means m cross n is equal to m cross n. It means 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is equal to 2 into 4 8. Number of element in matrix A is equal to 8. Next question 2. Write an identity matrix of order 4 by 4. Write an identity matrix of order 4 by 4. Identity matrix. I is equal to I4 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Order 4 by 4. 4 row and 4 column. Okay. Question 2 complete. And question number 3. If k plus 4 minus 1 3 k minus 6 is equal to a minus 1 3 minus 4, then find the value of a. Then find the value of a. Okay. Matrix A is equal to matrix B. Equality of two matrix. Condition. Equality of a two matrix. Matrix A order 2 by 2. Matrix B order 2 by 2 are the same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. It means matrix A first element k by 4 is equal to A. Second element minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 3 is equal to 3. K minus 6 is equal to minus 4. When matrix A is equal to matrix B, equality of two matrix. Apply the condition equality of two matrix A and B. Apply the condition equality of two matrix A and B. Order of a matrix A 2 by 4, order of matrix B 2 by 4 are the same, and element first k by 4 is equal to element first of matrix B, A is equal to equation first, and -1 is equal to -1, 3 is equal to 3, and k minus 6 is equal to -4. K is equal to -4 plus 6 is equal to k is equal to +2. From equation first, k plus 4 is equal to a implies k 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. It means a is equal to 6. That is the answer. Next, question number 4. What are the possible order of matrix having 6 elements? It means possible order of matrix having 6 elements is equal to 1 by 6, 6 by 1, 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. 1 by 6 is equal to 6, 6 by 1 is equal to 6, 2 by 3 is equal to 6, 3 by 2 is equal to 6. Possible order of matrix having 6 element. 4 order. First, second, third and fourth. Okay. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in a next video. Thank you.